everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I made soupy noodles with sardines. So this is so yummy, and today it is raining so much outside, so I thought of eating something spicy and very yummy. So I made these soupy noodles for me, and just I made only for me, so I made little bit only. So for making this yummy soupy noodles, so I'm going to chop some vegetables. So here I have taken garlics. So I have chopped the garlics into small pieces. Few garlics only. I have taken 5 to 10 cloves, and then chopped onion also. And after that I am going to chop the beans. So I have taken little bit of beans, just few 3 to 4 beans. So I have chopped the beans, and then I am going to chop the um, other vegetable as well. So this is capsicum. I have taken only half of the capsicum because it is very little bit, just around 200 grams I am making the noodles. So I chopped the capsicum, carrots and tomatoes. So friends, these soupy noodles is healthy plus yummy also, and with especially in winter, though it is not winter now, but then it is since it's raining so much and the weather here is little bit chilled, so I thought of enjoying something soupy and yummy and spicy. So that's why I made this. So we always eat the regular noodles, but please do try make these soupy noodles, and it's coming out super yummy and very tasty. Everybody will love it. Just for a change, once make it and see. So friends, I do make all kind of recipes and upload in my channel, so please do check out my videos, and if you like my videos, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. So here I have finished chopping the vegetables. So here in a pan I am taking 1 spoon of cooking oil. So and after I put the cooking oil, I am going to fry the, just little bit saute the garlic and the onion. Now one by one I am going to put all the vegetables and fry. So beans, carrot, and then tomatoes, and I'm going to put the capsicum, everything, and then fry it very nicely. So I keep the gas in the medium flame so the vegetable doesn't get burnt. And when you cook the food, this kind of soups, in the medium flame or so slow flame, it gives more flavor and more tasty. So I put little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to fry it very nicely. Now I'll keep the vegetable in one side, and I'm going to fry one egg. So here I'm going to fry one egg little bit. So guys, this egg, so friends, this egg will give the extra flavor and taste to the noodles. So I'm going to fry this egg little bit nicely, just no extra salt or pepper because already I have put salt and pepper in the vegetables. And now mix everything nicely and then fry it. And now friends, I am going to add here 2 cups of water. So as this is a soupy noodles, so I am putting the water as per my requirement. So 200 grams of noodles, so I have put 2 cups of water, and then boil it very nicely. So there are some froth inside because of the egg, so I'm going to take out this froth from the noodles. See, now I am going to add here millet noodles, which is very healthy without any maida and wheat, which is gluten free. So it's super healthy and super yummy. And so whenever I cook noodles, I try to make purchase millet noodles, the healthier version of the wheat noodles. So here I am not going to put the entire noodles, just the half of the noodles, just for me I am cooking. So I cover it with a lid and cook it for some time. And now friends, I am going to here crush tier 2 red chilies, just the red chilies, because I have put lot of black pepper. So just these 2 red chilies. Now friends, I am going to put here one ingredients, which is sardines. So these are one kind of small fishes from the sea fish, which is very flavorful and very yummy. So I love sardines. Sardines are loaded with lot of omega fatty acids because it's very oily fish and which is super yummy. So I prefer eating sardines. So I'm going to add these 3 sardines into my soupy noodles, which will make my soupy noodles more flavorful and more yummy. So this sardine doesn't take much time to cook, just hardly 1 to 2 minutes or even lesser than that, and the sardines will be cooked. So I am going to put the sardines inside the noodles and just cover it with a lid and cook it for like 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Just cover it with the lid and let it cook. So friends, this noodles is so yummy. Please give it a try when you feel like eating something soupy, and it is a super healthier version because I have used here the millet noodles, lot of vegetables, and for protein I have used the eggs and the fish. So it is super yummy. Please do make and let me know how it comes out in the comment, and I can bet you that you love the flavor of the soupy noodles and you'll enjoy it like anything. So friends, I am cooking this in the low medium flame and simmering it very slow cooking, so the the flavors and all comes out very nicely, the sardine, the egg and the vegetables. And see, it's already looking so nice, so appetizing, and I am going to enjoy it. Now I am going to add here little bit of coriander just for the flavor. So I am going to put little bit of chopped coriander and then mix it very nicely. So friends, and then again I am going to cover, and after uncovering here, see how tasty and yummy it is looking. So it's almost ready now. And also I am going to add here little bit like 1 spoon of sauce. So that day friends, I have made this fresh tomato sauce at home, so it's super yummy, super healthy, without any preservative. So if you did not check out the sauce or tomato ketchup, please go to my channel and check out the recipe. So I am going to add here 1 spoon of tomato sauce, which will give it a very sweet and tangy taste. So it's almost ready friends. Now it's ready to be served. So I am going to transfer it into a bowl. So it's nice, yummy, hot, soupy noodles, and once you eat this, you do not feel guilty. So it's ready. Thank you so much for watching friends. Have a nice day.